Hey guys, it's me Momita. Welcome to my channel Sip and Snacks. Today I'm going to share a very quick and easy watermelon juice recipe. It's very easy. Try it in this summer. So without further delay, let's make some drinks.
Let's start by taking some chia seed near with 1 teaspoon in a bowl. Add some water in it and let it swell it up. In a grinder, let's take some ice cubes. It will give a nice fruitiness to our juice. Here I took some watermelon cubes, seedless. I removed the seeds from it. Took some mint leaves. It will give a nice refreshing taste to our drink. Squeeze some lemon juice directly into the mixer grinder. Near about half of lemon. This drink is very good for summer. It will refresh your body and mind. Adding some sugar. If you want, you can skip sugar. Adding a pinch of black salt. It will give the street flavor to the drink and mix it nicely. Directly pouring in a serving glass. In a serving glass, I'm going to add some ice cubes. After this, I will take 1 teaspoon of chia seed that is swelled up already. Chia seed is very good for detoxing. Added some sliced lemon, some diced watermelons. It will simply look great. If you want, you can skip this step. Pouring the juice directly to the glass. And our refreshing juice is ready. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, hit the like button, share with your family and friends, and for more such recipe, please subscribe to my channel.